In this video, we shall highlight the main systems design for the evacuation of New Orleans in events similar to Hurricane Katrina, and the means in which we suggest they be achieved, as determined by our systems processes. With an early call to evacuate, people will be given sufficient time to prepare themselves and leave their properties and businesses. In previous instances, this has been delayed due to poor decision making from the local authorities. The evacuation plan should explicitly state the importance of an early evacuation call. For emergency broadcasting, gives the necessary information to the public for their evacuation. Continuously updated, real-time information can be delivered from the Public Advisory Service directly to media operators and then relayed to the public. An essential part of the evacuation is having enough appropriate manpower. During Hurricane Katrina, the significant lack of extra human resources was responsible for many of the problems which occurred. Using all available transport, including buses and specially adapted vehicles for the sick and elderly. These will be driven by volunteers, and the previously mentioned additional manpower should provide a method for evacuation open to all. Ensuring continuous access to important utilities within evacuation critical buildings. For example, hospitals, emergency broadcasting services, and refuge shelters. The creation of specific evacuation points at well-known places such as schools or parks is required to group people together for public pickups by buses. This would negate the need to collect individuals from their homes and thus speed up the evacuation process. The Neighbourhood Support Scheme is intended to encourage residents to help each other and reduce unnecessary strain on public resources. For example, car sharing or offering to help your neighbour board up their house. Increasing outbound traffic capacity by utilising all lanes bar one for evacuating traffic. The remaining lane would accommodate authorised vehicles such as emergency services and buses returning for more pickups.